I'm going to show you 3 simple steps that you can follow right now that can make you up to $10,000 per month. You don't need any website, you don't need to use ClickBank, and more importantly, you don't need a product or any experience. I'm going to show you step by step in this video. What's up, you guys? My name is Jonathan Montoya with Passive Income Lifestyles, and the purpose of my channel is to help you build a full-time passive income business so you can achieve financial and time freedom and eventually quit your 9-to-5 job. Guys, I used to work as an electrical engineer. I started my online business in May of 2019, and within 9 months of starting that business, I was able to leave my 9-to-5 job. So if you guys want financial and if you want time freedom, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with content almost every single day to help you guys achieve that same result. Now with that, guys, let's get into the actual video. Now guys, making $10,000 a month is not as hard as you think, and I really want to break this down in 3 simple steps. Now, why $10,000 per month? Well, this is the goal I set out to make when I first started my business back in May of 2019, because $10,000 a month was going to allow me to leave my job as an electrical engineer. And my goal was to hit that, but more importantly, hit that every single month consistently. So I want to show you my exact framework and strategy on how you can start making up to $10,000 per month with your affiliate business and how you can get started today. Now, one thing I want you to really understand is you can get started as a complete beginner without having a website, without using ClickBank, without even having any experience, because I'm going to show you how to do this with affiliate marketing. So many people come into this online space and they want to do Amazon FBA or drop shipping or get into crypto, and those are all good and those all work, but I started with all those, and as a complete beginner I failed at every single one of them because they're very complicated. Okay, now what I'm going to be teaching you today is very simple and easy to get started with. Now you can scale this to up to $10,000, even $100,000 per month, which is what I have done. But you have to go through the same process. You have to learn the skills in the beginning, but it's very simple to get started. I'm going to walk you through it. But guys, if you're just starting out, if you're a complete beginner, don't go into Amazon FBA. Don't go into drop shipping, e-commerce, because that's just very complicated, okay? And we want to make this as simple as possible, especially if you're still working a 9-to-5 job. I was able to build a $10,000 per month business within 9 months while still working a 50-hour-a-week job. Okay guys, so step number 1 is you need an affiliate stacking ecosystem. An ecosystem that's going to pay you every single month in monthly reoccurring passive income. Now I want to show you an example of what old school affiliate marketing looks like and why you don't want to do this if you want to make $10,000 per month. Now I drew this up real quick, okay? If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's simply sending people, right? You're just sending people to an affiliate link, okay? And an affiliate link could be something like a digital course, it could be like a physical product. Let's just say if you're partnered with like the Amazon affiliate program, you're sending people to an affiliate product, okay? It doesn't really matter what that is. With this old school affiliate marketing, you're only sending people to one product and then you get paid, right? And that's basically affiliate marketing. You may be building an email list if you're a little bit more advanced, where you can follow up with customers, but this is simply what old school affiliate marketing is, and this is not the right way to do it. I mean, you can still make money with this, but if you want to be in this for the long term, you need an affiliate stacking ecosystem. Now let me show you exactly what that looks like. So this is the old school affiliate marketing. Let's get rid of that, okay? We're not doing that anymore. I want to show you the right way. Now this is what totally changed the game for me and over 13,000 students that are in my 3-day challenge, which I'll leave a link down below. But basically this is the affiliate stacking ecosystem, okay? And this leads me to point number 2, okay? And that's step number 2, which is basically having monthly reoccurring income, okay? So this is, I'm gonna call it MRR, okay? And this all plays a role. So number 1 is to have an affiliate stacking ecosystem. And number 2, that affiliate stacking ecosystem should have monthly reoccurring commissions, okay? So what does that mean? Okay, so what you want to do is you want to have that main core offer. Okay, this main core offer could be a high ticket program, it could be a course, it could be a high ticket physical product. Now with that main core offer, you're going to have other supporting offers that go with it. Okay, and for the most part, this is going to be things like software or tools, things that people need to get the result from the main core offer. Okay, so for example, I teach people how to build a business, right? That's my main core offer. Okay, now with that, there's certain tools that you need to be able to build a business, right? There's certain softwares. Now with those softwares, people pay every single month. So on top of that, I'm getting, monthly reoccurring commissions on every single one of these supporting offers, at least most of them, right? So sorry about the ugly mess here, but you can see why this is so powerful, okay? Now, for example, one of the main programs that I recommend to my students is ClickFunnels, right? So you can see here, I've made over $45,000, but more importantly, I'm making money every single day and every single month I'm getting paid, okay? And because of the affiliate stacking ecosystem, I'm able to do this, right? And it makes sense not only to me, but it makes sense to my customers, right? I'm able to send my customers to this one product, this one core product that gets them that one result, but I have supporting offers or supporting tools that help that person get that result. So that's why it's so powerful, because not only are you just promoting one offer and you're not confusing the customer, but you're having the supporting offers that make you more money, but also help the customer get the result that they want. Now guys, I want to go over some numbers with you that hopefully will make a lot more sense. So let's just say you start promoting your affiliate stacking ecosystem and you want to make money with this. Well, just think of this as a exponential graph, okay? So let me show you what I mean by that. So let's just say you start promoting this and month one, you have, let's just say 5 people join your program, and 5 of these people are paying monthly reoccurring commissions, okay? Now that's going to compound over time. So month 2, you may have another 7, but that's going to be 12 people, right? And you can see, up to month 3, right? And this is going to be now, maybe you have 20 people, right? Because now you got 8 customers, but it compounds on each other. So the way it kind of works is it kind of starts out as like a dead line, and then eventually it'll just spike, guys. And this is how a business works, especially the affiliate stacking ecosystem, right? I mean, if you look at my get response, it's exponentially growing, right? Like my payouts have just been, they've gone from like $100 a month to $300 to $600 and now up to $900. Like, it's just insane how fast this can grow if you have the proper ecosystem in place. And that's why I want you guys to understand the power of the affiliate stacking ecosystem. Literally no one's teaching this because no one does this. Everyone does affiliate marketing the old school way, which again, it still works, but it's not helping the customer as much as you would like. And if you're in this for the long term, if you want to actually make a real impact, then you want to implement the affiliate stacking ecosystem. Now guys, the last and final thing that you need to be able to make $10,000 a month is a email list, okay? Now I'm gonna write that here as number 3, okay? This is, I think, the most critical part when you're building an online business, because when you're building your email list, that gives you the power to literally build a list of people. You hit send to whatever your list amount is, right? Maybe 10 people in the beginning, or for me, I have over 150,000 people on my list. It gives me the ability to literally print money, okay? That's very powerful. I want you guys to understand the power of an email list, okay? Because, as I build this list, right, again, it starts exponential. Maybe I build it and I have, 10 people the first month, and then maybe 90 people the second month, and then maybe 400 the third month, right? But then this is where it really starts growing, right? Maybe 2,000 here. And this is kind of my journey. But then like the next month, right? Maybe 6,000, right? And then for me, I'm up to 150,000 people, okay? Which is just insane. Like, you can see the graph. Like, I've only been doing this for 18 months, okay? So the next part is to build your email list. And if you have an affiliate stacking ecosystem, then it does it automatically. It's just it's built in the actual affiliate stacking ecosystem and allows you to build this email list. Now guys, as far as building your own affiliate stacking ecosystem, that's definitely possible and you can do it, but it takes time. If you guys want to build an affiliate stacking ecosystem, I invite you to do that. But if you want to tap into my ecosystem and start making money as soon as today, and I'm going to give you funnels, I'm going to give you lead magnets, that way you can build your email list from scratch. Then I want to invite you to my 3-day business breakthrough challenge, where I'm not only going to give you the tools and the resources you need to start building your business today, but I'm also going to show you the skills, that way you can build this business for the long term. So if you guys want access to that 3-day business breakthrough challenge, then I'm gonna leave a link down below in the YouTube description. That way you guys can have access to my exact affiliate stacking ecosystem. And right now, guys, we've had over 13,000 students go through this exact theme And a lot of those people have already quit their 9-to-5 jobs, have gotten their first commissions, but more importantly, are building their business for the long term. So guys, I hope this video was of value. This affiliate stacking ecosystem literally changed my life and the way I'm able to have financial and time freedom. And I want to help you guys do the same thing. So if you do want to join the 3-day challenge, please join down below in the YouTube description. But guys, I hope this video was of value. Subscribe to this channel, like this, comment, all that good stuff. I would really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys on the next video. God bless.